timing of your cash in and cash out is paramount to your business. Dryrun delivers true cash flow visibility, giving you the confidence to make critical decisions. Gain transparency by modeling scenarios to tackle volatile cash flow, revenue, and growth. It ties automation with unmatched flexibility so that forecasts are quick to build and easy to modify. Dryrun is a world-class financial forecasting and modeling tool that delivers incredible value and powerful features. Share access with multiple stakeholders, and it's perfect for team environments. The software is always cutting edge, and a robust assistance center with online chat is a click away. Dryrun is cloud-based, with leading security and reliability, so you can access it anytime, from anywhere. And to further support your business, Dryrun can import data from industry-leading accounting and CRM platforms. Dryrun is user-friendly and provides clarity like no other system. It replaces time-consuming, complicated, and error-prone spreadsheets, delivering clear direction to decision-makers. From cash flow management, customized budgeting, and revenue forecasting, through to scenario modeling, Dryrun addresses volatility in your costs and gives you control of your sales pipeline. Model the complexities of your business and deliver true forward-looking action plans. Dryrun your business today.